Hello friends, welcome to another detailed braiding session. Today we'll focus on odd numbered braids, the 7-strand, 9-strand and 11-strand braids. These styles look incredibly beautiful and detailed. I'll walk you through each step. Let's start with the 7-strand braid. Divide the hair into 7 equal sections. Here is the pattern. Start from the right side, take the outermost strand and move it over the next strand, then under the following 2 strands. Now switch to the left side. Take the outermost left strand and do the same over the next strand and under the next 2. Keep alternating sides, repeating this pattern over, under from both right and left while keeping the strands tight and evenly spaced to create a clean, structured braid. Keep your hands steady and sections smooth as you work. The final braid is wide and beautifully woven with a unique symmetry. Now onto the 9-strand braid. Divide the hair into 9 sections. The weaving goes like this. Start from the right side, take the outermost strand and weave it over, under, and then under the next strands. Once you have placed that strand, move to the left side and repeat the same pattern. Take the outermost strand, go over, under. Keep alternating sides following this consistent pattern over, under, while keeping even tension and smooth sections to create a balanced and intricate braid. The 9-strand braid creates a truly elegant look with lots of depth and texture. It's great for long hair or dramatic updos. And finally, the 11-strand braid. This is the most detailed one today, but the process is the same. Divide your hair into 11 even strands. Start from the right side, take the outermost strand and weave it over, under, and then under again across the next 5 strands. Then move to the left side, take the outermost strand and repeat the same pattern over, under, then under. Continue alternating sides, keeping the strands neat and the tension even. And there you have it, 3 stunning odd numbered braids. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.